Do you want to start having productive networking events instead of those endless, useless connections that don't produce results and money? Here's how you do it. As you're having conversations and going to networking events, remember that there's 3 asks that you can have. Number 1, a $1 ask. And that's when you're approaching people and you're asking them if they want your product or service. You're trying to sell them on something that you have. Chances of that converting are very, very small, as they just met you, so they have no idea who you are and why they should buy from you. Number 2, $100 ask. And that's when you ask them if they know someone and they can connect you to someone who is looking for your product or services. So much easier for people to connect you with someone they know versus take out their credit card. And number 3, $1 million ask. You are asking people to connect you to someone who has a network of your target market, a big list of people who you could work with and provide your product or service. That is the best and fastest way to grow your business. So which one are you going to ask for next time? Drop in a comment.